guys, recently took a trip down to San Pancho. It's also known as San Francisco. It's a beautiful little town just 45 minutes north of Puerto Vallarta. We took a taxi ride from the airport to San Pancho. It cost us $75. We landed at our hotel.
Got to San Pancho, Nayarit. Not as popular as its sister city, Saludita, or Puerto Vallarta, which is a lot bigger and more well known. Staying at this beautiful Maraica hotel. It's very rustic and open air, no AC. It's good. It's good to mix it up. You feel the humidity. Big difference from LA. They just had Hurricane Nora last week on Saturday, and there was a lot of destruction down in Puerto Vallarta where we flew into. King size bed. It's comfortable. Oh yeah. Nice little bounce to it. Shower there. Toilet. I like the wood. Walk around and check out the city of San Pancho.
This is where
I started off with a michelada. Now I'm drinking Heidi's drink.
It's really cool. It's rustic. It's bohemian. Ocean view.
No TV. It's good. Who's got time for TV? Closet, right? A little jungle out here. It's so cute. So we're out in the restaurant area. They're closed right now, but there's Maraqui, and there's a beautiful view of the ocean. And the backdrop looks like a scene from Narcos.
Heidi and I, we ate dinner at this beautiful restaurant called The Palms right there in San Pancho, and we had some great shrimp cocktail, we had some nachos, and Heidi had fried michelada, and we got to see the horses walk by us and see the sunset come down. They normally clap there during sunsets. It's really nice. We had a great time. And that's San Pancho, guys. We only spent one night there, so the video's pretty short. But stay tuned for our other videos of Saludita and Punta Mita. Great destinations, very close to San Pancho. I think you're gonna enjoy them. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you'd ever go to San Pancho, and consider subscribing if this is sort of content that you like. Thank you. Talk to you in the next one. Take care.